Welcome to our video on the nervous system. Have you ever wondered how your brain makes decisions or how you feel the touch of a hand? All these intricate processes are controlled by the central command center of your body, the nervous system. What is the nervous system? The nervous system is a complex network of specialized cells, known as neurons, that transmit signals throughout our body. It is divided into two main components, the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system. The central nervous system comprises the brain and spinal cord. The brain, encased within the skull, is the control center of our body. It receives and processes information, enabling appropriate responses. Spinal cord, a long bundle of nerves protected by the vertebrae. Peripheral nervous system. The peripheral nervous system consists of the nerves that extend from the central nervous system to the limbs and organs. It comprises the somatic nervous system and the autonomic nervous system. The somatic nervous system controls voluntary movements, while the autonomic nervous system regulates involuntary functions, such as heartbeat and digestion. Neurons, building blocks of the nervous system. Neurons are the fundamental building blocks of the nervous system. These specialized cells transmit electrical signals called action potentials across synapses. Neurons are highly interconnected, forming a massive network in our body. Functions and importance of the nervous system. The nervous system plays a crucial role in our daily lives. It controls our body's movements, processes sensory information, and enables us to experience emotions and thoughts. It also regulates vital functions like breathing, heart rate, and body temperature. We hope this video has provided you with a comprehensive overview of the nervous system. From the brain to the spinal cord and the intricate network of neurons,